Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken perotal. I am using around 5 kg of chicken. I am making this for a party. So come, let's see how to make chicken perotal in 5 kg of chicken. Into a hot pan, I am adding 1 cup of oil. Once the oil is hot, I am adding garam masala. It's cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Once it is cooked well, now I am adding around 3 large onions chopped in this way. When the onion is cooked a bit, add a little bit of ginger garlic crushed. In goes some pandan leaves. And some curry leaves. Once the onion has browned, now let's add in the tomatoes. I have taken around 5 medium-sized tomatoes. Adding in a little bit of turmeric. Let this cook well. Now the tomatoes are also cooked well. At this point I am adding around 2 tablespoons of chicken masala. You can even add chili powder or other masalas, whatever you like. I have already marinated the chicken with some masala, so I am adding a little bit only. Mix it well. Let the masala cook for a while. After a minute, the masala is cooked well. Now let's add in the chicken. I have marinated the chicken with salt, turmeric, chili powder and some chicken masala powder. Since we are adding around 5 kgs, in between, give a stir before adding the rest of the chicken. Once all the chicken is added in, mix well. Now let this cook in slow flame for at least 15 minutes. After about 5 minutes, stir it well. And let's add some water. At this point, you can check your salt. Now, after 15 minutes of cooking, the gravy has formed, but I need a semi-dry gravy. So I am going to cook this further for another 15 to 20 minutes. I have transferred a little bit to another pan, and I am doing the same with that because I felt that this is overcrowded. So I just transferred a bit to another pan. After about 15 minutes further, after about further 15 minutes of cooking, my chicken curry looks like this. So now I am going to add in some lime juice. If you all have not tried this, try this. It would be very tasty. Mix it well, and my chicken curry is ready. Tasty chicken piratal is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.